Scrub Nature Preserve. All right. Little place in Gibsonton. Duke, you want to go hiking? No? You want to go hiking? Oh, I'm sure you do. It's like, get me out of this van. Alright guys, welcome back to Trev Adventures, and today we're doing an afternoon hike here in Gibsonton at Alafia Scrub Trailhead, and it's about a 1.5 mile, and it should take us along the Alafia River, so we'll be able to show you that. So look forward to show you guys, so come along. American Freedom Tour 2024 is fired up. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Everybody enjoy it out there because it's a beautiful day. So since I cleaned out my van and getting it ready for our American Freedom Tour around the country, I didn't bring my freaking hiking shoes. We'll just have to do what we have. Check your pet, pup, and preserve. Alright, so this is actually pretty good, yeah. So it takes us down to the Alafia River. Nice. So that's what we're gonna do. Jesus Christ, I'm already. Alright, let's do this. We'll go right. Alright, come on. 0, so this would be the trail here. Let's go right. Come on, Duke. Alright guys, well, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and we're just hanging out. We're gonna enjoy it. Cinco de Mayo. Hope everybody's having fun, enjoying their tacos and some tequila and some margaritas with some senoritas. So we got a foul red. Beautiful homes. Squirrels. Look at that house right there. Gorgeous. Right up creek. Little road runoff probably. It's a cool little place for little small little acres of a hike. Alright, so there's blue too. I think we still want to go red, but I'm gonna double check. Keep going red. Ready? Come on. Just a squirrel. squirrel, but I want to make sure. I don't think they'll have anything too crazy in these woods. Just never know. That's definitely a squirrel there. Alright, this is the time we take a moment in. Oh, I see some swampy stuff going on right now. Oh yeah. Good boy. I know you're smelling a bunch of donkey peas, but nice. So this is where we're gonna hang out for a minute, enjoy a little time here. We might be the only one, so cool. Alright, come on. How about? Oh, he's not gonna like this. He's not gonna like this. You're good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're good. Alright, so this is the Alafia River, which is a pretty cool. I just seen, when I was over there, I just seen people doing some tubing on there. Dude doesn't like that. Where his feet is. Let's see, it's warm. No, it's not warm, so. You're good, bud. You're good. Dookie hates this walking deal. Look at him. He's so funny. That's so funny, bud. Alright, I'll keep going this way. Come on. Come on, bub. It's a lot better, huh? Beautiful Sunday afternoon, and a lot of people are having their Sunday boat fun, which sometime soon, guys, we're going to be doing a lot of boat adventures. Just need to get to that point to where we can do that, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. Oh, what the heck? A memorial? I can stay here. Ah! Dookie, that's what happens when you slack. Reality, guys. This is reality of what it's like to hike with a dog in Florida with Tread Dive Adventures. Come along. Got Florida cactus. I'm not sure that's what they're called, but it's definitely a freaking prickly bush cactus. Just remember, guys, not every hike that I do is going to be absolutely beautiful. We just look where we're at and we'll come upon some beautiful spots. And if you love nature, you're going to love all of this. Alright, there's yellow too. I think we still keep staying on red. What'd you just do? What'd you just do, Dookie? Hey, look at me. What'd you just do? You can't play it off, man. Look at, you're all black. All your white's black. See? Every time you do that, we're gonna have to do it. Look at you. Look at that. Every time we do that, you're gonna have to give a bath. And especially that dirt, man. I remember I had my dogs. I had a white one boxer and a black and white boxer, and they used to do the same thing on that same kind of dirt. It's a really nice hiking trail, though. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, that was so cool. He went right down that line, right there. I think we're getting to the end here. Yeah, here's the trail. We go right. All right, here's the pimp ride. How'd you make out, Duke? Good? All right. We stopped and got water a couple of times, so. Thanks, guys, for watching this episode. Remember, come along, would you? American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Look at. That's what happens when you roll in a little fine dirt. You turn all dirty. So now I have to give you a bath. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Alright, guys, we're gonna stop at this place real quick. It's called River's Edge, right here on Alafia. Oh, there's a bunch of bikers here. Oh, I like it though.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be the great outdoor, forever free. Take a step back to see the trees around you. From a distance you can tell. bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Don't get rolled all over the place. We've got a tan.